Welcome to my YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Dear friends, we have learned various videos on the mechanical vibration. Under this, we are going studying the single degree of freedom vibration. Here on this Kadam Academy, various numericals are also videos are there on the numericals for the damp and damp vibration, also in force vibration. This is the lecture on which we are going to study the critically damped systems. What are the critical damped systems? This is the condition, one of the condition for the viscous damping. In this, the zeta is equal to 1. That means the critical damping. The critically damping coefficient is equal to that damping coefficient. C is equal to Cc. What you are going to learn in this after completion of this lecture, you will learn the free damp, single degree of freedom mechanical systems and the structures with the case studies. And also you learn the case study 2 in case of this critically damped system when zeta is equal to 1. And the solution of the free damp vibration for the differential equation of the motion for the critical damped system condition. Zeta is equal to 1 or C is equal to Cc. And various applications we are also analyze with the explanation of the applications for the system also we can learn. In this case, zeta is equal to 1. See, this is the three over damp condition, critical damp condition and under damp condition. When the mass and springs are connected, here it is not shown the damper, but there is a damper. Assume this is a damper. So what will its movement? See, first case, the second case, it suddenly stop. It will slowly move to its last position. And here again it will come to we can see the graphs for the red color for the over damping. In critical damping, this green color, E. Suddenly it will come to the mean position. For a long time, it will come to the mean position. Okay. In over damping, it will come to the infinite time, come to the mean position. But in the under damping, you can observe blue color on this graph. It will slowly come as we can represent it in this picture. This picture will show you how the motion will be there in the three different cases: under damp, over damp and critical damp. And we'll study in this lecture the critical damp. The linear viscous damping we already studied. Watch that video for the linear viscous damping. Okay, so the solution of this damping is we already resolved that A is equal to x is equal to A into e raised to minus zeta plus under root of zeta square minus 1. Here the minus is there, and into bracket close into t into omega n plus beta b into e raised to zeta minus here is the square root zeta square. Again here is the minus symbol ऊपर चला गया है. Just consider here minus and minus 1 and bracket close into t into omega n. And what will happen? This S1 S2 are the two roots. In this case, the S1 S2 are the two roots. This term is we are considered as a S1, and this term is we are considered as a S2. And the A and B, in this case, A and B are the here arbitrary constants. When this equation were written, and this in the form of the zeta, that is the damping factor. Here damping factor when we consider greater than 1 or C is greater than Cc, the system is called over damped system. When zeta is equal to 1 and that C is equal to Cc, such system is critically damped system. When zeta is less than 1, C is less than Cc, such system under damped system. But here in this case we are going to study the critical damped system. These are the graph already we have studied. Here what will happen in this case? The zeta is equal to 1. That means C is equal to Cc. This damping coefficient is equal to critically damping coefficient Cc. Okay. So already we have studied in the linear viscous damping. So go and study the previous videos. So what was the first equation for this damped vibration? Here mx double dot plus cx dot plus kx is equal to 0. So what is the solution of this one? Already we have studied that having the two roots, the S1 and S2, and omega n inside the bracket zeta plus minus means that for 1 it's plus, for 2 is minus. square root of zeta square minus 1. In terms of zeta, this converted this equation. Okay, here zeta in both the case, if we put the zeta is equal to 1, we'll get the solution of this answer. Answer of this equation is minus omega n for both the case S1 and S2. Here plus and minus is the difference for the S1 and S2. Okay, so friend, what will happen? That equation we have already studied last. That equation becomes here. This equation becomes, it will convert into this form. This equation becomes now x is equal to a into e raised to s1t plus b into s1 s2t. The general solution of this equation, after put the value of s1 s2 as omega n in this equation, we can write like this: x is equal to a plus bt e raised to minus t omega n. This is the equation for the condition what zeta is equal to 1 or c is equal to cc. This is the red line color. It will show the zeta is equal to 1. Okay, so where a and b are the arbitrary constant, we have to find out. If we find out the value of a and b by using the initial conditions, we can resolve this equation, and we can that using this equation we can solve the for that particular application the amplitude or the vibration we can find out. This general solution for this equation of the critical damp system will be this one. Already we have seen. This is how it will come in last PPT. Where a and b are the arbitrary constants, we have to find out by using the initial condition. The first condition, x is equal to xo, means initial displacement at t is equal to 0. Similarly, second condition is what? At that time, the t is equal to 0. At that time, velocity also 0. This is the for this single degree of freedom damp vibration. Okay, viscous damping. Here, what will happen in this case? The differentiating this equation, we can get this equation differentiating. We can put this value in the second condition. Okay, so what will happen in first condition? We'll see. Substituting the condition 1, we will get the value x0 equal to a, means a is equal to x0, and differentiating this equation 1 for the second condition, dx by dt is equal to x dot is equal to b into e raised to this equation. Okay, here a is the constant, it will 0, the b into e raised to omega n minus omega n t plus this is in multiplication. As we are differentiating with respect to t, these are two terms are in multiplication. What will happen here? This term will be remaining, and this a into e raised to minus t omega n, here we have taken omega n common, and this equation we have written directly here. The intermediate steps are here not written. So here what will happen here? This omega n taken constant, a plus bt into bracket close e raised to minus omega n t. So this is the second condition. So as we know, this x dot 0 at t is equal to 0. So what will be remaining in this one? The dx by dt is equal to 0 for x dot 0, and t is equal to 0. Here putting this value t is equal to 0. Here remaining b, and here t is 0, the b will 0, and this a omega n, this is remaining. Okay, as this will become 1. So a omega n, that is the remaining. So what will the term is remaining in terms of b? If we return, b is equal to omega n into a. And what is the a? Here already condition 1, a is equal to xo, means the initial displacement. So substituting value of a and b in the equation 1, this equation 1, where substituting value a and b, what will get? X is equal to x naught plus, in terms of the a is x naught and b is what? Omega n x naught t into e raised to minus omega n t. So afterwards, if we take a common x0, so what will the remaining? X is equal to x0 inside the bracket 1 plus omega n t, bracket close, e raised to omega n minus omega n t. Omega n is a natural frequency at a time t, time duration, and x0 is the initial displacement. You can find out the displacement amplitude for the displacement we can find out. And what is the general solution now? This is the general solution of this equation. Okay, by solving this equation, what we have got it, the last equation is this is the x is equal to x0. So friend, the analysis of critical damping system is what? This is the equation of this differential equation for the this equation were obtained for this condition what zeta is equal to 1 or c is equal to cc. In this case, see, observe this displacement versus time graph is there. This graph will suddenly come to the mean position, and this graph is on one side only. This is not like a sinusoidal wave, so it is a non-periodic motion. So friends, what will the analysis of this one critical dam system? The resulting curve of the critical dam system when zeta is equal to 1 and the motion is shown in the figure 1. Okay, here the value of x decreases. Value of x when decreases, so t is increases. When the t is increases, value of x is decreases. Finally, 10 to 0 when x is equal to 0 as 10 t is equal to infinity. Okay, so that motion come to the t x is equal to 0 in this critical dam system as compared to over dam and under dam. It's very fast, very sudden. Okay, so when the damping zeta is 1, in such that case mass is about to reach its stable state, but is not allowed to cross the position. Okay, this mean position it will not cross, it will come to this position. Okay, then the system is critically damped, and this system are aperiodic, means not a periodic motion will be there, only one it will come to the near to the equilibrium position. The critical dam system are the specially interest as they again their equilibrium position in shortest possible as compared to the other and possible time without oscillation. There is no oscillation and it will come to the original position and shortest position. Depend on this one, various applications are there. Through this we will get understood. The large guns, okay, are provided with the dashpot having the critical value of damping, and this kind of damping results in the gun returning to the original position. See, these are the large guns or the various details are given to you. Okay, here the damper is shown, the bore, evacuator, the idle tube, okay, receptor. These are the guns. They are using this damping system with the critical damping. Also, you can observe in the hydraulic door closer where you want the door to return to the original position after it has been opened in the shortest possible time. It will close. See, you can observe in this GIF. Okay, this is the picture which will show you. This is the critical damping here used, where damper is equal to designed so that zeta is equal to 1 or critical damping is equal to this coefficient, damping coefficient and critical damping are same. Okay, these are the two examples. Similarly, one more example, in electrical instruments, making use of this property critical damping, electrical instruments are designed where the displaced body is brought to the equilibrium in minimum possible time. See, this is the eddy current is used here. What will happen? This critical damping concept is used in this case, and this core, the moving coil, the light indicator which will display to you in digital instruments. This is the design where the displaced body brought to the equilibrium position in minimum possible time. This is the hairspring and it will come to the position. Okay, suddenly it will come, and with the damper provided, with the magnetic damper is provided. Permanent magnet is there and yes here, and so these are the example for the critical damping system. So friend, you have learned the critical damping system. One more, the analysis of canal. See, this is the canal. Since it is desirable to bring the gun barrel to the rest in the shortest time, when it is this projectile of this gun barrel, it is having the shortest time to oscillation, so it is made of the translate backward against the critical damp spring and damper system called a recoil mechanism. In this case, here you can visualize the recoil mechanism is there, spring and damper is there. Okay, that will come to the original position without any large vibration due to the projectile of the missile. When the missile is fired, come to the original position. So friend, these are the applications which will clear your idea for the critical dam system. please share this maximum video and watch this video again and again. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much. And what are the 3 outcomes from this learning? You write down on paper. So you always learn by self-assessment only. Thank you very much. What are the outcomes of this video of mathematical modeling for this all the vibrating system? Write down 3 outcomes, and friend, here you always learn by self-assessment only, and you have to subscribe my channel Kadam Academy. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.